everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sound in Township. To turn off sound effect in Township, first of all, open the Township application on your device, and once you're in the main screen, look for the three lines at the top right corner and tap on it. Now click the gear icon from the expanded pop-up. Inside the settings menu that pops up on the screen, tap on the music note and the speaker icon at the bottom right. Make sure that they are crossed like this with a red line, and this will mute all the game's sound and music. You can now exit the setting by tapping the cross at the top right and then enjoy music-free experience while playing the game. So that's how you turn off sound effect in Township. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.